Hello, my Heal Diviners. Welcome to my channel of I Heal Divine. So, today we will be seeing what to expect. What are your main messages for the month of September and what to expect, what to look for, what are the blessings, and everything week by week, what is coming in the month of September for you. So, let's see what is the main message for you in the, in the coming month for you. That is the flashback, the freedom, and the progress. So here, what I feel is that this month will be like a turning point for you. You may find yourself reflecting on the past, which is your flashback, but instead of being stuck here, you are meant to release old limitations, which is your freedom, and step forward boldly, which is your progress. So September will give you chance to break free from all the patterns, situations, or even beliefs that have held you back. So let's see what to expect and what to look for in the coming month. So I've already taken out the cards: the Emperor, the Fool, Three of Swords, Page of Swords, the Tower, Six of Pentacles, and the Four of Wands. That was the bottom of the card, so I need to take it. So here what I feel is, now what you should expect. I've also taken out the other cards, which I will go later in the reading. So now I will say what to expect and what to look for. Now here the Emperor, this is a structure on authority card. So you are called to step into your responsibility and take control this month. Or you should set boundaries as well, because someone in power may also influence your path. So be careful how you go about it. And then comes the Fool. That is a new beginning is starting for you, because Fool is always in wandering for the new beginnings. So I can see for someone a new beginning is coming. Fresh opportunities and a leap of faith are also highlighted in this card. But you may also need to trust the unknown instead of over planning things, because then the Three of Swords says that there may be a moment of emotional disappointment, heartbreak, or something. Your truth will be revealed, and that will clear the way for your healing and clarity. With Page of Swords, I can see curiosity, learning, and mental clarity coming in you this month. So be alert for new ideas, conversations, or news that may change your perspective. Also, I feel that someone may also be watching or testing your move. So again, be on alert. Then comes the Tower. There may be a sudden shake up or a revelation that will break down your old structures. This may feel unsettling, but that will lead you to a much needed growth and freedom, because the progress is also there. See, the card, this Tower has come down of progress with the progress card. So definitely the progress is coming. So the old has to go for the new to come. Then comes the Six of Pentacles. Now here, support, help, or resources will come your way. People will help you. Generosity and balance is also the main key in the month of September. So there will be give and takes, because that is going to be very important this month for you. And as I said, bottom of the deck was Four of Wands. So underneath everything is stability, joy, and celebration. So no matter what upheavals happen to you, the end result is harmony and a sense of belonging. So what I would say, what you should look for is that watch for sudden changes that will actually liberate you this month. And be open to unexpected support from others. As I said, this will come. Notice opportunities to start fresh, even if they come after ending. As I said, something has to go. And then celebrate your small wins, joy, and progress, because that is hidden beneath your challenges of all this Four of Wands and cards that come. So, overall, the month is going to be very good. So, let's see um, how your finances will be in the coming month. Celebrations and the sun. Now, with these two cards, the sun and the celebration, your financial situation looks very positive because sun is a very positive card. So I'm so sorry. So it's a very positive card. So the financial situation is very positive in the month of September because the sun promises clarity, success, and growth in money matters. And then again, which is paired with celebrations, there will be good news coming to you about finances, possible bonuses, gains, or profitable ventures. And for some, I feel it could also mean financial stability that's strong enough to enjoy your life events, gatherings, or your milestones. And then the blessings coming for the coming month is empowerment and blessings. Now, here, what I feel what Ganesha wants, and since Ganesh Chaturthi is going on, Ganesha is reminding you that you have the inner strength to rise above obstacles this month. Because empowerment means that you will reclaim your personal power, especially after sudden changes, what you have gone through with the Tower and the Three of Swords. So, blessings also confirm that divine protection is surrounding you. Whatever will end or shift in September is ultimate for your highest good. So, you know, I feel the first week of September will be that the Emperor and the flashback. Like, if I would say with the Emperor and the flashback, what I would say that you will begin the month reflecting on past choices, patterns, or even old wounds. So, because of the Emperor, strong figure, authority, that will influence your direction, and you'll be asked to bring order into your life, like means to set goals, make plans, and establish boundaries in the first week of September, which will be September 1st to 7th. And then will comes the second week 2 of September, which will be 8th to 14th. So here what I would say is, with the Fool and the Freedom, that your fresh energy will arrive, new beginnings, opportunities, or like a reset button. Now everything is reset, or everything you're starting afresh. So this week will carry a leap of faith, but you may need to trust yourself without knowing the outcome. Then week 3, 15th September to 21st September, that is going to be a main energy. That is a Three of Swords and the Tower card. So this week will bring a revelation, ending, or truth that will shake you up. But there's nothing to worry about. It may feel painful or sudden, but this is the universe breaking away what no longer serves you, because he has tried to explain you and you haven't. So this is the way he needs to do it for you to progress. So thinking, and that once he does it, that's a clearing your he's clearing the stage for your progress in your life. So unexpected change is definitely going to come in the third week of September. And then comes the fourth week, which is the September 22nd to September 30th. Now, with Page of Swords, Six of Pentacles, and Four of Wands, after all the shake-up, you have now regained clarity. Fresh insights and news may guide you. And you will also get support or help from others, because someone may offer resources, advice, or even financial achievement. And then, as I said, with the finances this month, your money outlook is bright all month. Even if week 3 will feel rocky emotionally, your finances will stay stable. So don't worry on that, because you will expect positive news, potential financial gain, or something to celebrate. That, you know, and with Lord Ganesha's blessings, when what I would say, because with the Tower and Three of Swords moment, whatever happened, now Lord Ganesha is removing all the blockages from you, and you have been empowered to rise higher, free yourself, and then progress with the divine blessings. So overall, what I would say is that September 2025 is a month of breakthroughs. Though it may bring sudden shifts, truths, and emotional test, but they are clearing a way for freedom and new beginnings. And financially, your outlook looks excellent, as I said, with growth and celebration ahead. And then with Lord Ganesha, he's assuring you that you are stepping into the empowerment and divine favor with all its blessings. So if you enjoy this reading, please like and follow my page, I Heal Divine, and please subscribe to my channel as well. It will not hurt you, but yes, it will mean lot to me. Thank you. Till then, I will see you in my next reading.